Okay guys, we're out here in the middle of nowhere. We're here to a story about a 1934 pickup that was buried out here somewhere in the weeds. This looks like it's in really rough shape, but there's a few things on it I'm going to show you. It's all original. As you can see, it's got the original V8 logos on it. This is an all steel truck. You can see right here it's got the steel bed. I'll show you. You can take a look. There's a bunch of branches and stuff. You can tell it's been buried out here. They've been buried. It's been burned. Branches have been burned on it. But you can see the steel rivets. This is an all original Henry Ford pickup. We're gonna get this branches dug out of here. We're gonna inflate the tires and see if we can get this thing loaded on the trailer and get it out of here. So it might be hard for you guys to see at home, but we're just about a half mile off the highway here. We talked to the guy. This is his personal farm. This truck has been buried here for years and years. They've done some things with it, but mostly it's been parked. We're gonna go and take a closer look and get some of that stuff off of it. Okay guys, we're really excited about this truck. We've got the hard part over with, we've haggled, we've got this truck bought. Now we've got the truck down here and a tow strap. It's a little bit sunk in the mud. You guys. See if we can get this sucker out of here. We got the truck back to the shop and changed the fluids, along with a couple of hoses, and put a battery in it. This truck's got us excited because back in the day, some hot rodder installed a small block Chevrolet engine and a Ford 9-inch rear end. We know the motor turn's over now, so we're curious if she's going to want to fire. Alright, we're going to try the old hot wire on the pickup here.
Good. Let's see what she does. Nice.
Earlier in the video, I made a big deal about the all-authentic Henry Ford steel. Well, now I can show you guys why it's important, and also why I'm so excited about it. Hopefully these camera shots can show you the good steel and how it cleans up and comes out as a bright silver, and really reveals the quality and the craftsmanship that they had back in 1934. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit inside the pickup, how clean and rust-free the floors are. I wish we could find one of these 34 pickups sitting under a tree every week, but it just doesn't happen like that. It's rewarding for us to show the process on a pickup like this, and it is one of our favorite passions. If you like my video, make sure and find that subscribe button and click it for me. Follow along my journey as I uncover some of Idaho's most rare hot rods and barn finds. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Thanks for coming by and hanging out with us. We'll see you next time on Idaho Hot Rods.